cousin Chris.
It's go time.
Just a little.
What?
Just a little. You won't mind.
You got to perform with
Solitary, complimentary defense.
Take exit 5161.
All right. Stop number 1. I don't need this rangefinder anymore.
Bringing white.
The favorite, yeah, of course I'm bringing white. Okay, well then we will leave those here. I'll bring all these in case. It's all packed. Ready to go. Look at that. Right in the front yard. All right. Today is not that snowy, not that cold. Problem we got with hunting is the wind. Don't want to be in the woods under 65 plus miles per hour wind. I'm sure you could hear it on the microphone, but it is windy out today. We're just gonna make do with what we got and see if we can make something happen. All right, got the green light. Gonna get ready. The snow has definitely picked up, so we have to dress warm. It's snowing.
We got a long walk to where we're going. It's about a mile's walk.
Oops.
Pick the worst time to leave. It's not gonna start letting go.
Well, what else are we gonna do? Sit in the cabin? Always gotta rock the white camo.
You got orange, right?
Yes. I gotta go back upstairs for half my orange.
Holy shit, dude.
What the problem is?
That's horrible. Is it okay?
It is definitely starting to get cold. It's snowing now.
Maybe that would be so cool if Christian can get some. Hour ago.
Got about a mile walk to state land. Got a little colder.
It's 34 degrees. We're about to get 2 feet of snow in the next 3 hours. Continuing on into the next day. Going to some public land. Never been in this public land. Hoping to take down anything that moves.
It's crazy.
Film this, film this. Oh, my baby. My baby. No. Is he okay? 200 yards we got. Got to the spot. We got 700 acres to hunt. We're going to do a little bit of a push. Just a one-sided push. Drew and them are going to go in about 50 yards. We're going to stay here about 20 yards from the road. Shoot anything we see going that way. It's real thick timber here, so hopefully we see it before it sees us.
Check that out. Found a stand.
Since last year. We're in the right spot, as you can see. There's other people here. We have yet to find any tracks or anything. Snow's coming down harder. Let's see if we get lucky. Handful of bear tracks going down towards our buddy. Probably within the last hour or two. We're gonna try to get to the top of this ridge up here. Sit down. Hopefully a group of doe come walking by. Prints around here, along with that bigger bear. It's probably the watering hole that they were going to. Sit down right here.
Yeah, we should sit here.
It's nice to see all
Pretty good opening.
Let's sit down. It's kind of overlooking a little bowl. The wind is perfect right now. Just blowing right into our face. Hoping something walks in this bowl. The odds are low. But wind's starting to pick up. So is the snow.
So windy, I don't even know if the calls are gonna work. Can't hear anything.
I think Tommy and them are coming up the hill. I think I hear him.
I do hear that too.
Mom just called me a little bit ago. She's in the city of Buffalo. We're seeing up to 65 mile per hour winds right now. Everything's closing down. Looking at the radar right now, looking like we're about to get hit pretty hard too. Hoping it's not too bad. Start walking, get in 10 minutes. We're sitting down here for the past 20-25 minutes. Weren't seeing nothing. But it was starting to get cold. Get up to start moving again. Kicked up a nice doe. I think it was a nice doe. Going that way. Hopefully we can track it down. Hopefully it doesn't see us and we get lucky.
That blows. We should have been more patient.
What?
Oh, we should have been more patient.
Yeah.
Like 10 more minutes and then probably would have walked in front of us. Oh. At least we know there's deer here.
Buddy Drew always finds big deadheads, big sheds, in the middle of nowhere. He pulls them out of thin air. Just found a nice shed somewhere down that way. How the fuck did they get there? He didn't find no shed.
Horseshoe up your ass.
Shut the fuck up. Screaming.
That's fucking dude. You got my biggest shit.
We just saw one.
What?
We just saw one.
Oh.
Where
is it?
It went that way.
What was it?
I think it was a doe. Where's the shed?
He has it.
He found? No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does. It's in his backpack. Get the shit out of your backpack. Your bag. Shit. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you fucking with us.
Did you think that was the one? I found a doe.
Yeah.
Climbed up.
You get the picture from.
Just go shedding the snow, and I'm like, oh, he's gonna fall for this one.
Dude, you should have seen me. I was freaking out. Fucking push off. Fucking dinner.
Well, that's about it for today. Not much we can do. Saw one, and then
You're fucking.
thought it was a good idea to start yelling.
Yeah, you're fucking with me. It's a stick, you motherfucker. Fuck you. You want to be a darling and come pick us up? Thank you, babe. We're walking out right now to the road. Alright.